Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాను డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ కి సంబంధించి. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్, a phone number in database is an example of dash. Option A record, option B field, option C short, option D file. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B field. Second bit, any entry in the telephone book can be compared to a dash. Option A database, option B file, option C record, option D field. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C record. Third bit, the logical data structure with a one-to-many relationship is a dash. Option A network, option B chain, option C tree, option D all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C tree. Fourth bit, which of the following is not a characteristic of a relational database model? Option A tree-like structure, option B records, option C fields, option D complex logical relationship. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A tree-like structure. Fifth bit, in a database related fields are grouped to form dash. Option A data record, option B menu, option C blank, option D file. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A data record. Sixth bit, a language that enables user to access or manipulate data. Option A data manipulation language, option B database language, option C SQL, option D all of this. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A data manipulation language. Seventh bit, a hierarchical data model is option A totally ordered, option B partially ordered, option C not ordered, option D none of this. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A totally ordered. Eighth bit, any relational calculus expression can. Option A can be expressed using relational algebra, option B not always be expressed using relational algebra, option C can be decomposed, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A can be expressed using relational algebra. Ninth bit, the multivalued transitivity rule is option A sound, option B complete, option C not sound but complete, option D soundness does not apply. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A sound. 10th bit, SQL is relationally option A sound language, option B incomplete language, option C complete language, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C complete language. 11th bit, HLL stands for dash. Option A high level learner, option B high level logic, option C high level language, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C high level language. 12th bit, high level language are dash. Option A machine independent, option B machine dependent, option C both A and B, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A machine independent. 13th bit, an assembly language is basically a dash to a machine language. Option A machine interface, option B human interface, option C both A and B, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B human interface. 14th bit, First generation language is dash. Option A, assembly language. Option B, assembler. Option C, procedural. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, assembler. 15th bit. JVM stands for option A, Java Virtual Machine. Option B, Java Visual Machine. Option C, Java Virtual Management. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, Java Virtual Machine. 16th bit. Secondary memory is also called as dash. Option A, external memory. Option B, auxiliary memory. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, both A and B. 17th bit. CD stands for dash. Option A, compact disk. Option B, common disk. Option C, critical disk. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, compact disk. 18th bit. DVD stands for dash. Option A, digital vision disk. Option B, digital video disk. Option C, diagram video disk. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, digital video disk. 19th bit. For a read operation, a read control signal is applied to the dash. Option A, command read line. Option B, output line. Option C, input line. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, common read line. 20th bit. The group of memory location is called as dash. Option A, register. Option B, floppy. Option C, floppy disk. Option D, hard disk. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, register. 21st bit. The output stream object std cout normally connected to the option A, keyboard. Option B, CPU. Option C, screen. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, screen. 22nd bit. The input stream object std cout are normally connected to the dash. Option A, screen. Option B, CPU. Option C, keyboard. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, keyboard. 23rd bit. The keyboard used in C++ to represent boolean value is dash. Option A, boolean. Option B, bool. Option C, string. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, bool. 24th bit. The keyword used to define a structure. Option A, struct. Option B, str. Option C, structure. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, struct. 25th bit. The getChar library function dash. Option A, returns a character when any key is pressed. Option B, returns a character enter key is pressed. Option C, returns and display a character on the screen when any key is pressed. Option D, returns none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, returns a character enter is pressed. 26th bit. A structure brings together a group of dash. Option A, items of the same data type. Option B, related data items and variables. Option C, integers with user defined names. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, integers with user defined names. 27th bit. The break statement causes an exit. Option A, only in the innermost loop. Option B, only from the innermost switch. Option C, from the innermost loop or switch. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, from the innermost loop or switch. 28th bit. A pointer is dash. Option A, addresses of a variable. Option B, an indication of the variable to be accessed next. Option C, a variable for storing address. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, addresses of a variable. 29th bit. C was primarily developed as a dash. Option A, systems programming language. Option B, general purpose language. Option C, data processing language. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, systems programming language. 30th bit. C is the dash. Option A, high level language. Option B, low level language. Option C, high level language with some low level features. Option D, machine language. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, high level language with some low level features. 31st bit. Forgetting the semicolon at the end of a class definition is a. Option A, runtime error. Option B, syntax error. Option C, logic error. Option D, none of this. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, syntax error. 32nd bit. What is a web browser? Option A program that can display a web page. Option B, a program used to view HTML documents. Option C, it enables user to access the resource of internet. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 33rd bit. URL stands for. Option A, unique reference label. Option B, uniform resource locator. Option C, uniform resource label. Option D, unique resource locator. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, uniform resource locator. 34th bit. What is document object model? DOM, document object model. Option A, conversion for representing and interacting with objects in HTML documents. Option B, application programming interface. Option C, hierarchy of objects in ASP.NET. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, convention for representing and interacting with objects in HTML documents. 35th bit. There are dash type of computer virus. Option A, 12. Option B, 10. Option C, 5. Option D, 7. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 10. 36th bit. If a computer in a network shares resources which can be accessed by another computer, it is called as dash. Option A, client. Option B, server. Option C, sender. Option D, receiver. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, server. 37th bit. Computer which is powerful with faster processor, more memory and disk space in a computer network is called. Option A, client. Option D, server. Option C, sender. Option D, receiver. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, server. 38th bit. In a computer network, computers usually play roles which are dash. Option A, 1 or 2. Option B, 2 or 3. Option C, 3 or 4. Option D, 4 or 5. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, 3 or 4. 39th bit. The network layer consists with option A, bits. Option B, packets. Option C, frames. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, packets. 40th bit. The 4 byte IP address consists of dash. Option A, network addresses. Option B, host addresses. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి Option C, both A and B. 41st bit. A dash is an extension of an enterprise private intranet across a public network such as the internet, creating a secure private connection. Option A, VNP. Option B, VPN. Option C, VSN. Option D, VSPN. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, VPN. 42nd bit. Data and instructions are provided to computer by using the dash. Option A, output unit. Option B, memory unit. Option C, control unit. Option D, input unit. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, memory unit. 43rd bit. Recursive producer are implemented by option A, queues. Option B, stacks. Option C, linked list. Option B, strings. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, stacks. 44th bit. Which of the following sorting procedural is the lowest? Option A, quick sort. Option B, heap sort. Option C, shell sort. Option D, bubble sort. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, bubble sort. 45th bit. In infix expression is correctly represented by prefix notation as. ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫిక్స్ నోటేషన్ ని ప్రీఫిక్స్ నోటేషన్ లోకి మారిస్తే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి. 46th బిట్. లీనియర్ ఆర్డర్ ఇన్ లింక్డ్ లిస్ట్ ప్రొవైడ్ త్రూ ఆప్షన్ ఏ, ఇండెక్స్ నంబర్. ఆప్షన్ బి, ద ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద నోడ్. ఆప్షన్ సి, పాయింటర్. ఆప్షన్ డి, నన్ ఆఫ్ ద అబోవ్. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, పాయింటర్. 47th bit. Null pointer is used to tell option A, end of linked list. Option B, empty pointer field of a structure. Option C, the linked list is empty. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 48th bit. List pointer variable in linked list contains address of the option A, following node in the list. Option B, current node in the list. Option C, first node in the list. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, first node in the list. 49th bit. Searching a linked list requires linked list be created. Option A, in sorted order only. Option B, in any order. Option C, without underflow condition. Option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, in any order. 50th bit. Header of a linked list is a special node at the option A, end of the linked list. Option B, at middle of the list. Option C, beginning of the linked list. Option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, beginning of the linked list. 51st bit. The yoke or frame of the DC machine is made of dash. Option A, copper. Option B, aluminium. Option C, cast iron. Option D, bronze. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, cast iron. 52nd bit. Interpoles are provided to dash. Option A, generate the EMF. Option B, operate in overload. Option C, economical basis. Option D, improve commutation. Answer guess చేయండి. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, improve commutation. 53rd bit. Armature lamination is about dash. Option A 1 centimeter thick, option B 1 millimeter thick, option C 0.5 millimeter thick, option D 0.5 inches thick. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి 0.5 millimeter thick. 54th bit. Compensating windings are provided in slots made on the dash. Option A armature, option B main pole phase, option C interpole phase, option D none of this. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి మెయిన్ పోల్ ఫేస్. 55th bit. The principle of operating of DC motor is dash. Option A Fleming's right hand rule, option B Fleming's left hand rule, option C Ohm's law, option D ampere rule. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి Fleming's left hand rule. 56th bit. Field coils of DC machine are made of dash. Option A silver, option B copper, option C aluminium, option D carbon. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి కాపర్. 57th bit. The ends of the armature coils are joined to dash. Option A field coils, option B commutator segments, option C brushes, option D any of the above. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి commutator segments. 58th bit. In DC generator, the commutator, option A, converts alternating current to unidirectional current. Option B, converts unidirectional current to alternating current. Option C, rotate the armature in a particular direction. Option D, improves the commutation. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, converts alternating current to unidirectional current. 59th bit. The brushes in a DC machine are made of dash. Option A aluminium, option B steel, option C mica, option D carbon. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి కార్బన్. 60th bit. The number of parallel paths in a wave wound generator are equal to dash. Option A number of poles, option B 2, option C number of commutator segments, option D number of coils. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B 2. 61st bit. Pulse modulation is used in option A radio navigation, option B automatic landing equipment, option C data communications, option D all of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option D all of the above. 62nd bit. In pulse transmission, the ratio of the time on to time off is called option A efficiency, option B duty cycle, option C base, option D bandwidth. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B duty cycle. 63rd bit. In pulse modulation, modulating impedance controls option A pulse width, option B pulse amplitude, option C pulse spacing, option D any of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A pulse width. 64th bit. During amplitude modulation, the phase angle of the modulating voltage changes by option A 180 degrees, option B 90 degrees, option C 45 degrees, option D 0 degrees. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ D 0 degrees. 65th bit. Which of the following is likely to be the bandwidth of a FM receiver? Option A 5 kHz, option B 20 kHz, option C 200 kHz, option D 20 mHz. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C 200 kHz. 66th bit. Which of the following will carry the same information as the AM wave itself? Option A VSB only, option B VSB and SSB, option C SSB, VSB and DSB, ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద అబోవ్. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద అబోవ్. 67th bit. Channel capacity is exactly equal to dash. Option A, amount of information per second. Option B, bandwidth of demand. Option C, noise rate in the demand. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, amount of information per second. 68th bit. The capacity of a channel is dash. Option A, number of digits used in coding. Option B, volume of information it can take. Option C, bandwidth required for information. Option D, maximum rate of information transmission. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, maximum rate of information transmission. 69th bit. 1 bit equals to dash. Option A, 1 bit. Option B, 1.7 bits. Option C, 3.32 bits. Option D, 10 bits. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, 3.32 bits. 70th bit. Redundancy in communication system. Option A, reduce efficiency of communication. Option B, helps to detect errors. Option C, helps to correct errors. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. 71st bit. Amount of information in a continuous signal is dash. Option A, 0. Option B, bytes. Option C, bits. Option D, infinite. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, infinite. 72nd bit. Hot wire instrument works based on dash. Option A, magnetic effect. Option B, electromagnetic effect. Option C, electrostatic effect. Option D, thermal effect. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, thermal effect. 73rd bit. DC ampere hour meter functions based on dash. Option A, chemical effect. Option B, electromagnetic effect. Option C, electrostatic effect. Option D, thermal effect. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, chemical effect. 74th bit. A meter is used to measure. Option A, current. Option B, voltage. Option C, power. Option D, frequency. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, current. 75th bit. Voltmeter is used to measure. Option A, current. Option B, voltage. Option C, power. Option D, frequency. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, voltage. 76th bit. The shunt temperature coefficient must be dash. Option A, very low. Option B, very high. Option C, both A and B. Option D, any of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, very low. 77th bit. 1 ohm and below the value are called. Option A, high resistance. Option B, medium resistance. Option C, low resistance. Option D, none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, low resistance. 78th bit. Example of low resistance is option A, armature and series field resistance. Option B, ammeter shunt resistance. Option C, cable insulation. Option D, all of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of this. 79th bit. For measuring low resistance, which method is used? Option A, ammeter voltmeter method. Option B, potentiometer method. Option C, Kelvin's double bridge method. Option D, all of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of this. 80th bit. Wheatstone bridge method is used to find option A, voltage. Option B, current. Option C, power. Option D, resistance. Answer guess cheyandi. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి రెసిస్టెన్స్. 81st bit. A meter is connected to the circuit in dash. Option A parallel, option B series, option C series and parallel, option D none. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి సిరీస్. 82nd bit. The fuel used in the nuclear reactor is dash. Option A cadmium, option B radium, option C uranium, option D zinc. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి యురేనియం. 83rd bit. Energy resources which will not run out in long term are called dash. Option A renewable, option B non-renewable, option C generating, option D producing. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ renewable. 84th bit. In atomic power plant, option A electrical energy is converted into heat energy, option B mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, option C potential energy is converted into electrical energy, option D heat energy is converted into electrical energy. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి హీట్ ఎనర్జీ is converted into electrical energy. 85th bit. Modern wind turbines produce dash. Option A heat, option B oil, option C gas, option D electricity. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ. 86th bit. Photovoltaic cells are also termed as dash. Option A solar cells, option B voltar cells, option C battery cells, option D rechargeable cells. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ సోలార్ సెల్స్. 87th bit. A solar cell converts option A carbon, option B magnesium, option C teflon, option D silicon. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి సిలికాన్. 88th bit. The cheapest plant in operation and maintenance is dash. Option A steam power plant, option B nuclear power plant, option C diesel power plant, option D hydroelectric power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి హైడ్రోఎలక్ట్రిక్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 89th bit. Dash requires less space. Option A diesel power plant, option B nuclear power plant, option C thermal power plant, option D hydroelectric power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ డీజిల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 90th bit. Steam turbines are used in dash. Option A thermal power plant, option B solar power plant, option C hydroelectric power plant, option D diesel power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ థర్మల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్. 91st bit. Static electricity is produced due to option A friction, option B light, option C magnetism, option D heat. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఫ్రిక్షన్. 92nd bit. The most simple and keen plant is option A hydroelectric power plant, option B nuclear power plant, option C steam power plant, option D gas power plant. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి hydroelectric power plant. 93rd bit. The number of levels in a digital signal is dash. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 10. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి 2. 94th bit. The slow turning of a potentiometer is dash. Option A digital input, option B analog output, option C nature of output depends on voltage, option D it depends on resolution of the potentiometer. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, analog output. 95th bit. Which of the following can provide a digital signal? Option A, slow change in the value of a resistor. Option B, sine wave. Option C, square wave. Option D, gradual turning of a potentiometer. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, square wave. 96th bit. A device that converts from decimal to binary number is called. Option A, decoder. Option B, encoder. Option C, CPU. Option D, converter. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, encoder. 97th bit. Decimal 15 in binary system can be written as dash. Option A, 1111. Option B, 1110. Option C, 1100. Option D, 1300. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 1111. 98th bit. CHAP stands for option A, challenge handshake authentication protocol. Option B, challenge hardware authentication protocol. Option C, circuit hardware authentication protocol. Option 4, circuit handshake authentication protocol. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, challenge handshake authentication protocol. 99th bit. Network layer firewall works as a dash. Option A, frame filter. Option B, packet filter. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, packet filter. 100th bit. The network layer concerns with option A, bits. Option B, packets. Option C, frames. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, packets. ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.